Hi everyone, this is the USB charger mini spy camera. Let's see what it comes with and how to use it. First up is the device itself. It is a functional wall charger, so feel free to plug in any device and it'll charge it while recording. It's a super discreet camera lens that's hidden behind this front panel. Once you pop it off, you'll see the camera, the motion/continuous switch, and the SD card slot. It also comes with the USB to USB charging cable and the user guide, which will give you all the information needed to operate the device. To set up this device, all you need to do is insert a memory card. This device takes up to 256GB SD card, and then plug the device in. It'll automatically begin recording to whichever mode it is set to. The L is continuous recording of 5-minute segments, and the M is motion-activated recording. The device will have an indicator light that will flash 3 times to indicate that it is recording. Now that we've gone over how easy it is to set up, let's look at some of the videos it can capture. As you can see here, the video is able to capture full HD 1080p video recordings. It also works in low-light environments. To play back your video, you can either plug the device directly into your computer or remove the memory card and play back the videos directly from there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this product and want to check it out, I'll leave the link to it in the description below. If you want to check out other products like it, give us a visit on our website, spycenter.com, or give us a call at 1-800-292-7748.